In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Kodi or remove Kodi program from your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should be the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have here Kodi installed on my computer, and you may also be having it maybe with a shortcut on your computer. If you want to completely uninstall it, then look for Control Panel option on your computer, and if you can't see Control Panel, just go to Start menu and search for Control Panel like that, and here it is. I'll click on it. It is under Systems. Under this, look for Programs and Features. This will list all the programs that are running on your computer. From the list, just look for Kodi. You can see my program is here. To uninstall it, just click on it and you will see an install option. If you click on it, this will remove Kodi together with its files from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop. However, if you don't see this, then right click on Kodi and then choose uninstall. Confirm by clicking on yes and then next, and confirm if indeed you also want to grant permission to also delete the profile folder. For my case, yes, I want to delete the profile folder, and finally click on uninstall, and this will begin to uninstall the program. So at this point, be patient as the files are being uninstalled. And finally, once done, now confirm by clicking on finish here. Now if I go back to Control Panel, you can see we no longer have Kodi program. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Kodi from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.